cheapest machine could be your most expensive investment.
Automation creates problems when?
Adding automation to a bad process just means you have bad process with automation involved. You're setting yourself up to fail, aren't you?
Today you're Matt Gabbett, and what's your position at SCM Group?
National Sales Manager. You know, it's a vocation. You got to get invested. You can't be half pregnant with this. You got to get in.
I personally feel like our industry has become a case of the blind leading the blind.
Customers are getting emails saying, hey, look, we just noticed this anomaly. This could be a chance of happening. Have a look at it. Might be worth ordering the part.
That's why we have predictive maintenance.
Absolutely. It's crystal ball stuff. So many times in this industry, we see a great cabinet maker, but you go into their business and you automatically know they just don't have a clue about running a business.
Many good men would work too hard,
Mm-hmm.
and the result for working hard was a family that was lost because they were absent.
Yeah. But I think ultimately it's the betterment, isn't it? You want your freedom, you want a better life for your family. If those things aren't coming with the terrain, what the hell are you doing?
What's some words of wisdom that you could share with us on what we're about to embark on as this next phase?
Yeah, look,
Because people are anxious and unsure on what's going to happen.
you can't be